I have collected a number of questions related to Oracle Field Service certification with explanation. Friends, today I am going to discuss a question related to Oracle certification exam. Multi-day activity. Multi-day activity is a type of activity. When we create a activity type, then we can select multi-day activity or multi-segment activity. So here the question is, which features will be disabled when we are creating a multi-day activity type? So the first option is not started trigger. So this activity is multi-day activity. So obvious not started trigger is of no use. So it will be disabled. Second option is day before trigger. It will also be disabled because it's a multi-day activity. So no need to trigger day before. No need to have a day before trigger. So these two options will be disabled. Now the third option is support for preferred resources. It will be enabled, because if it is multi-day activity, then we can prefer resources, so it will be enabled. Support for time slot, yes, it will be enabled, because you can ask a preferable time slot for customer, so this feature will be enabled. Calculate activity duration using statistic, it will be disabled. Activity duration calculation is a core feature of Oracle Field Service using statistic, but for multi-day activity it will be disabled. The activity duration will not be calculated for multi-day activity, so this will be disabled. Support for link activity, it will be enabled. We can create a link activity for multi-day activity, so this will be enabled. So the correct answer is not started trigger will be disabled, day before trigger will be disabled, and calculate activity duration using statistic will be disabled. Oracle Field Service calculate the activity duration for each task using statistic on based on historical data, but it will not be applied for multi-day activity. Thank you.